If you think the Trans-Siberian is wild, wait till you meet its secret sibling. The Baikal-Amur Railway hides stories the world rarely hears. Ready to be amazed? This 700-mile marvel snakes through permafrost, earthquake zones, even a place called Dead Road. Builders faced landslides, wild bears, and temperatures plunging to -60 degrees Celsius. Rumor has it some tunnels are haunted by the ghosts of lost workers. What other secrets are buried in Siberia's frozen heart? Follow for more hidden wonders of our planet.